BioNovations Incorporated is a homegrown business operating for almost 5 years that specializes in live seafood holding and transport systems.
Well, the big advantage to our system is that you can take a live product from Atlantic Canada and deliver it to a wholesaler, retailer, whatever on the West Coast very economically in a live transportation system. So it eliminates a lot of your costs, but it takes away from your packaging. You don't have to have gel packs, styrofoam boxes, and so on. You simply take the product out of your holding system here, put it in the back of the trailer, and in the back of the trailer we control the environment, similar to the system that it came out of. And you can drive from here to LA or anywhere in North America. It'll maintain that environment the whole distance, and then you simply take the product out of the trailer, put it into the system that you're delivering it to.
The containment systems now are primarily going into the UK markets as well as the US, as well as some domestic. And as again we further develop and take the larger trailer technology to international markets, we do see a tremendous opportunity with the industry trends, which is happening currently in the international markets such as the UK, to be able to capitalize on our technologies.
Joe Boudreau has been involved in the fishing industry for more than 30 years and knows the importance of his business.
Well, I've been involved in fishing ever since my dad fished, my grandfather fished, and so on. And so we've been always involved in the seafood industry. And our problem here is we have such a small community, we can't really sell our product. So we have to move it elsewhere. And we felt that live is value added, so that's why we've been always interested in trying to find a way to get our product to the live end on the West Coast and so on.
In its short time as a business, BioNovations has been making an excellent name for themselves with every shipment.
I think that the customer response has been very positive, and I think because of Joe's experience within the fishing and seafood industry, and I think that Joe's been very proactive in responding to what the market wants to see, and which is driving a lot of the business. So the reason why BioNovations is developing the technology is basically listening to the market, which I think, and any time an organization is basically developing the technologies to respond to those demands, I think you're going to have a very successful solution on your hands.
We've just tested lobsters, mussels, crabs, and oysters. We're right now in the process of testing for snow crab, and we've been talking to a number of other countries that have huge logistic problems because of their heat to transport their product live. So in the future, once we get going, we hope to do a number of species, Australian lobster, the warm water lobster, and so on.
Joe and his team are not planning on stopping here. There are big plans on the horizon.
Right now we build the live holding systems here that the wholesalers and retailers and so on would use. But the trailers themselves it's going to require a large facility to manufacture those units, and then when we develop the technology into the containers, that's going to be very large. So we see this as developing a lot of work for the area, and it can be a very big thing if it's all done right.
I think in any business, the ultimate goal ultimately is looking at satisfied clients and helping clients achieve what their business objectives are. I think is the ultimate goal of any organization. And again, because of Joe's experience and background in the fishing industry, he has the ability to help people. And if we can help people be successful in what their objectives are, then I feel at the end of the day that we've probably done a pretty good job.
From Antigonish, I'm Danny Harvey for Eastlink magazine.